Hi, myself Triveni, working as Assistant Professor at Raghavendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Raipur, Autonomous. Now I am going to explain resonance or mesomeric effect. For chemical structure, we can write two or more than two different structures. These different structures are known as resonance structures. For example, if you take the structure of benzene, it has three alternative double bonds and these pi electrons will be delocalized to here, these electrons delocalized to here, these electrons delocalized to here to give the another resonance structure. So the another resonance structure having the double bonds like this. So because of the delocalization of the electrons, we will get the another resonance structure. These resonance structures also known as canonical forms. The canonical forms cannot explain all the properties of the molecule, and this resonance structure combined with each other, it forms the hybrid structure. This hybrid structure is known as real structure. This is the hybrid structure for the benzene. Hybrid structure can explain all the properties of the molecule. Resonance structures are the imaginary structures. They won't explain all the properties of the molecule. Next we will see some of the examples for the resonance structures. For example, if you take carbon dioxide, the resonance structures for carbon dioxide is like this, and here oxygen having more electronegativity when compared to the carbon atom. So the electrons will be delocalized to the oxygen atom, thereby it will get the partially negative charge, and to get stabilization of the compound, the electrons will be delocalized to here, thereby it gets the partially positive charge. And the resonance structures for carbon dioxide we can write like this. And another resonance structure for carbon dioxide. These are the three different resonance structures for the carbon dioxide. Resonance structures will be indicated with the double-headed arrow. And for hybrid structure for the carbon dioxide, we can write hybrid structure like this. I indicated as in dotted lines. This dotted lines indicates the delocalization of the pi electrons. This is a hybrid structure for the carbon dioxide. And we will see one more example for nitro group. This is a nitro group, and for these resonance structures we know oxygen having more electronegativity, it takes the electrons, thereby it gets the partially negative charge. Nitrogen atom will get the partially positive charge. For this resonance structure, or it donates the electrons to the nitrogen, thereby it gets the double bond here. This is the resonance structure for the nitro group. We will see hybrid structure for this nitro group. It will indicate it as dotted lines. This is the hybrid structure for the nitro group. With these structures, we can say that to show the resonance, the molecule should have the pi electrons. Only the pi electrons are sufficient to show the resonance? No. We will see some examples. In case of RCH2, CH3. In case of this compound, here there is no pi electrons, so it cannot show the resonance. If you take another example, cyclohexadiene. It is in a cyclohexadiene, and here double bonds are isolated. Isolated double bonds are present, and this also cannot show the resonance. Although it is having pi electrons, but it cannot shows the resonance. And if you take another example, cyclohexene, it contains only one double bond. Although it is having one pi electrons, it cannot shows the resonance. And if you take another example, that is CH2 double bond CH2. In this straight chain structure also, it has the one pi bond. This also cannot exhibit the resonance. Then what kind of compounds will exhibit the resonance? Means the components should have the conjugated system. What is conjugated system? That means alternative double bonds and single bonds should be present in the compound, is known as conjugated system. Next we will see the some of the examples will exhibit the resonance. CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2. In this, here one double bond is there and here one single bond and here one double bond is there. This is in a conjugated system, and here these electrons are delocalized to the carbon atom. These electrons are delocalized to here to give the resonance structures. The resonance structure for this compound is CH2, and this pi bond will be delocalized CH double bond CH, then it is CH2. Here electrons are transferred now, so it will get the negative charge and it donates the electrons, so it gets the positive charge. And some of the compounds we will see here, or not only conjugated system, some other possibilities also there to exhibit the resonance. And other possibilities, CH2 double bond CH CH2 with positive charge. Second possibility, CH2 double bond CH CH2 with negative charge. The third possibility is CH2 double bond CH NH2 with lone pair of electrons. The fourth possibility is CH2 double bond CH CH2 one free radical. So other possibilities are the system, it may have double bond with positive charge group. The system, it may have double bond with negative charge group. The system, it may have double bond with lone pair of electrons. The system, it may have double bond with one free radical. So here we will see resonance structures for these compounds. And here donation of the electron, delocalization of the electrons will be taken place. From here, bond pair of electrons will be delocalized to here. Then this electrons will be delocalized to here to give the resonance structure, that is CH2 single bond CH double bond CH2. The charge will be delocalized to here, and in this case here also same, these electrons will be delocalized here, these electrons move to here, then it gives the CH2 negative charge, then CH double bond CH2, and here lone pair of electrons are present here. This lone pair of electrons delocalized to here. This bond pair of electrons moved onto the carbon atom. Then it gets the CH2 negative charge, then CH double bond NH2. And in this case free radical, this electrons delocalized here, the free radical delocalized to here. Then it is CH2 free radical, then single bond CH double bond CH2. These are the resonance structures for the various possibilities for the different structures. Okay. Next we will see types of the resonance effect. Mainly two types of resonance effects we will observe, that is positive resonance effect and the second one is negative resonance effect. So coming to the positive resonance effect, here I will explain with examples. That is, take the benzene compound. Benzene is substituted with amino group, that is NH2. Then nitro group, it is having one lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons will be delocalized to this position, and benzene having the bond pair of electrons, this bond pair of electrons delocalized to here. So when you observe here, the migration of electrons will be taken place from group to system. Here it is in a group, or the group we can say it is in a substituent. And this benzene, I'll call it as in a system, and we can say it is in a conjugated system. Conjugated system. In this example, electrons will be transferred from group to system. Electrons will be migrated, or electrons will be delocalized, or electrons will be migrated from group to system. We will see another example here. The benzene will be substituted with hydroxyl group, OH group, and oxygen having two lone pair of electrons, and this lone pair of electrons will be delocalized to here. The bond pair of electrons will be delocalized onto the carbon atom. Here also same, the migration of electrons will be occurred from group to system. Next we will see another example, that is CH2 double bond CHCl. So you know that in the chlorine atom totally 3 lone pair of electrons will be present. Here also same, the lone pair of electrons will be transferred to here, the bond pair of electrons will be transferred to here. Here also same, the electrons will be migrated from group to system. It is in a system, it is conjugated system. And so this type of electron transfer from substituent to conjugated system is known as positive resonance effect. Then coming to the negative resonance effect, and here the example, we will take the example carboxylic acid as in a substituent. The name of the structure is benzoic acid. This benzoic acid, I will write it as C double bond OH. So you know that oxygen having more electronegativity than the carbon atom, so it takes the electrons from the carbon atom. Then to stabilize the structure, the benzene system will donate the electron to the carboxylic acid. That means this bond pair of electrons will be delocalized to here. So in this case, what you observe? The delocalization of the electrons or migration of the electrons from system to group. The group are nothing but substituent. And we will see another example. Benzene might be substituted with nitro group, NO2. In this also same, oxygen having more electronegativity, the bond pair of electrons will be delocalized here. Here also same, the electrons will be migrated from system to group. Next example here it is CH2 double bond CH, C triple bond N, cyano group. So here also you know that nitro group having more electronegativity when compared to the carbon atom. It takes the electrons, then these electrons will be delocalized to here. So it is in a system, this is in a group. Here also we can observe migration of electrons from system to group, and this process is opposite to the first one. In this case, in the first case, the electrons will be migrated from substituent or group to conjugated system. In the second case, the electrons will be migrated from system to group. And coming to the differences here, in this case, the substituent will donates the electrons to the system, or the system it is conjugated system, or we can say the system it is benzene. Thereby the electron density will be increased in the benzene system. And whenever electron density will be increased in the benzene system, it will be more easily attacked by the electrophiles. That means electrophiles will easily attacks the benzene system. Thereby the benzene system will be activated. We can say activation of system will be taken place. Activation of system will be taken place here. And in the second case, here the substituent will withdraw the electrons. Substituent withdraw the electrons. So whenever the substituent, this carboxylic acid or nitro group, it will withdraw the electrons from the benzene ring. Thereby the electron density will be decreased on the benzene system. So whenever electron density will be decreased, so the electrophile it cannot attack the benzene system. That's we can say it is a deactivation. Deactivation of the benzene ring will be taken place. Deactivation of benzene ring will be taken place. These are the differences between the positive resonance effect, negative resonance effect. In the case of positive resonance effect, electrons will be delocalized from group to system. In the case of negative resonance effect, electrons will be delocalized from system to group. Because of the presence of electron withdrawing groups, electron donating groups, the reactivity of the benzene it may be varies. And here we will see one of the example. So this is an aniline structure, and you know this, the structure is benzene, and we will take another structure, nitrobenzene, and we know that so amino group contains one lone pair of electrons. Here the electron transfer will be taken place. That means delocalization of the electrons will be taken place from group to system, and in this case delocalization of the electrons will be taken place from system to group. That means this group will donate the electrons. This group will withdraw the electrons from the benzene ring. So whenever electron donating groups are present in the benzene ring, the activation of the benzene ring will be taken place. Thereby it is more active when compared to the benzene. And whenever electron withdrawing groups are present on the benzene ring, it deactivates the benzene ring. Thereby it is less reactive when compared to the benzene. So aniline is more reactive when compared to benzene, and nitrobenzene is less reactive when compared to the benzene. And effect of the substitutions we can explain in terms of the orientation and reactivity. Effect of substitution we can explain in terms of the two activities, that is orientation and reactivity. So coming to the orientation, one substituent will orient, that means direct. One substituent will direct the second substituent position. It may ortho, meta, para position. That process is known as orientation. And reactivity means the substituted benzenes will have more reactivity or less reactivity when compared to the benzene itself. That will be explained with the help of reactivity. Coming to the orientation, these are two types, that is ortho para orientation. We can say ortho para directors. Ortho para directors, also known as activators. The second one is meta directors. Meta directors, also known as deactivators. So coming to the ortho para directors, and we know that ortho position, meta position, para position, if you take di substitution on the benzene means the first substituent we are placing here. For example, I am placing bromine, it is in a bromobenzene. When bromine is present adjacent to the first bromine, then it is in an ortho position. When the bromine is present by the separating of the one carbon atom, this is a meta position. When bromine is present in opposite to the first bromine, this is a para position. So coming to the meta ortho para directors. Ortho para directors are also known as activators, and the second one is meta directors, also known as deactivators. And next one is reactivity. This reactivity we can explain with the help of the activators or deactivators or activating groups. Activators are activating groups. Deactivators are deactivating groups. Next, coming to the ortho para directors, also known as activators. Meta directors, also known as deactivators. Coming to the first one, ortho para directors. Some substituents will direct the second substituent position towards ortho or para positions. This kind of groups are known as ortho para directors. These ortho para directors will activate the benzene ring. Activates the benzene ring. So these are known as activators. And we will see the example. We know that the first one, aniline structure, we will take aniline, known example. It has the one lone pair of electrons, and now I will write the resonance structures for the aniline. These electrons localized to here. This bond pair of electrons will be delocalized to here to give the resonance structures. Because of the delocalization of the lone pair of electrons, we will get the double bond here, and bond pair of electrons will be converted to the lone pair of electrons. The remaining bonds, these are. And we will see another resonance structures for the aniline. This lone pair of electrons will be delocalized to here. Thereby, this bond pair of electrons will be delocalized to here. So the remaining above side, it is common NH2, double bond NH2. These are delocalized to here. So the bond will be appeared here, and the bond pair of electrons will be converted to the lone pair, and the remaining bond will be appear here. And one more possibility here. Lone pair of electrons will be converted to the bond pair. The bond pair of electrons will be delocalized to here, like this. Then the remaining structure is similar, and here the double bond is there. This bond will be delocalized here. The bond pair of electrons are converted to the lone pair. And finally, this lone pair of electrons delocalized to here. The bond pair of electrons will be taken up by the nitrogen. Then we will get the final resonance structure. This is the final resonance structure for the aniline. So totally we got 5 resonance structures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you see that first structure and fifth structure, both structures are similar, but the difference is the double bonds, the presence of the double bonds. In this case, the double bond is present here. In this case, the double bond is present here. These are the different resonance structures for the aniline. Next, we will see hybrid structure for the aniline. And we know resonance structures are the imaginary structures, and hybrid structure is the real structure. So this is the real structure for the aniline. We have to write like this with the help of inscribed circle. And here when you see this structure, the electrons flow will be taken place like this. So migration of the electrons will be taken place from group to system. That's way the electron density will be increased in the benzene system. We can indicate as a minus charge. That means we can say where more electron density will be appear means at this place, ortho position, in the second resonance structure, at para position, in the next resonance structure we can see more electron density at again ortho position. That means at ortho position, para position, again ortho position. So in the hybrid structure we can say that more electron density will be occurred at ortho and para position. So these groups are known as ortho-para directors. Because of this electrons migration from group to system, the benzene ring will be activated. That's why we can say it is an activator. And this NH2 group is known as ortho-para director. This is ortho-para director. And coming to the meta directors, also known as deactivators, here also same. Some substituents will direct the second substituent towards the meta position. Thereby these are known as meta directors. Meta directors deactivates the benzene ring. That's why these are known as deactivators. One of the example, nitrobenzene. So here oxygen atom having more electronegativity, thereby it takes the electrons. The bond pair of electrons in the benzene ring, these are delocalized to here. Thereby in the next resonance structure we will get the double bond here, and this place we will get the positive charge. And coming to the next resonance structure, these electrons will be delocalized to here. Thereby we will get the positive charge here. Then the double bond will be present at this position. The remaining double bond is present here. In the next resonance structures, these are delocalized to here, or not this one, and this bond pair of electrons delocalized to here. Thereby this position it will get the positive charge, and here these are the double bonds. And for the nitrogen atom it is in a double bond, and here also that is a double bond. Because of the delocalization of the electrons, here we will get the positive charge. And in the next case what will happen means these electrons will be delocalized to here, and these electrons will be delocalized to here. Thereby we will get the double bond here, and these bonds will be appear like this because of the delocalization. And these are the 5 resonance structures for the nitrobenzene. And coming to the hybrid structure for the nitrobenzene, this is in a hybrid structure for the nitrobenzene. Here from the system, this benzene system, it gives the, or it donates the electrons to the group or substituent. That's why because of the donation of the electrons, or this group will withdraw the electrons from the benzene. Thereby it gets the positive charge. This effect is known as negative resonance effect. And where the positive charge, that means electron density will be decreases. Where this electron density decreases? At ortho position, at para position, and meta position, and ortho position. That means electron density will be decreased at these positions. Whenever electrophile will be reacted, this group means what will happen? It cannot react with the ortho and para positions. Thereby this electrophile will attack at the meta position only. Thereby it gives the meta substituted product NO2 and electrophile. This is the meta substituted product. In case of ortho para directors, whenever this electrophile to the benzene, here the electrophile will be attacked at the ortho position and para position. That means NH2, and here one possibility is there, and other possibility here, that is NH2 and this place electrophile. So these are the possibilities of the where electrophile will be attacked. And next, coming to the examples for ortho para directors, that means the groups which can donate the electrons. Examples like amino group NH2 and hydroxyl group OH and phenyl group, alkyl groups methyl, ethyl, C2H5, alkyl groups, then ethers ROR. These are the examples, the groups which can donate the electrons. Then coming to the examples for meta directors, that means the groups which can withdraw the electrons. So it is NH2, no? So here it is nitro group and carboxylic acid COOH and aldehydes CHO, ketones C double bond O groups and cyano group C triple bond N, then amides R C double bond O NH2. These are the groups. And here I forgot to tell, here halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all this comes under the ortho para directors. These are the meta directors. And here you can observe one thing, ortho para directing substituents being electron releasing, it will activate the benzene ring, thereby the electrophile easily attacks the where high electron density is present, then it gives the substitution product. And we will see the examples here. For example, the aniline take toluene, we can take toluene CH3. CH3 undergoes bromination in presence of the FeBr3, and FeBr3 is in a Lewis acid, it acts as a catalyst, then it gives the two products, one is ortho substituted product and one is para substituted product CH3 and Br. It is ortho-bromotoluene and it is para-bromotoluene. And in this case we can observe here, in the toluene the substituent is CH3 moiety. It is not having the non-bonding electrons. Although it is not having non-bonding electrons, it can donate the electrons to the benzene system, and this was explained by the hyperconjugation mechanism. So this comes under electron releasing group. In this case I will take nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene undergoes nitration in presence of HNO3 and H2SO4. It gives the meta disubstituted nitrobenzene like this. This is meta disubstituted nitrobenzene. That means this nitrobenzene, the electrophile will attach at the meta position of the nitrobenzene to give the disubstituted product. So this is regarding ortho para activators, meta directors also known as deactivators. Thank you one and all. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and like it and share to your friends and click on the bell icon to get more videos.